A project management information system is a system that is used to support the management of a project. Commonly referred to as PMIS, it can be a standalone system or a component of a larger enterprise resource planning system. PMIS typically includes a range of tools and capabilities that are used to support the management of a project, such as project planning and scheduling, where PMIS can be used to create and maintain project plans and schedules, including tasks, dependencies, and resources. With resource management, PMIS can be used to track and manage the resources that are needed for a project, including personnel, materials, and equipment. For budget and cost management, PMIS can be used to track and manage the budget and cost of a project, including expenses and revenues. For risk management purposes, PMIS can be used to identify, assess, and mitigate risks associated with the project. For quality management, PMIS can be used to monitor and control the quality of project deliverables. For communications and collaboration reasons, PMIS can be used to facilitate communication and collaboration among team members and stakeholders. Overall, PMIS is a valuable tool for project managers, as it provides a centralized platform for managing and tracking the various elements of a project. By using PMIS, project managers can improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the project management processes and increase the chances of project success. Some examples: PMIS can be used to create and maintain project plans and schedules, including tasks, dependencies, and resources. For example, managers may use PMIS to create a Gantt chart that shows the tasks and dependencies for a project, as well as the resources that are needed to complete each task. PMIS can be used to track and manage resources that are needed for the project, including personnel, materials, and equipment. For example, a project manager may use PMIS to track the availability and allocation of personnel, or to generate reports on the materials that have been consumed during the course of a project. PMIS can be used to track and manage the budget and cost of a project, including expenses and revenue. For example, a project manager may use PMIS to track the budget that has been allocated for a project and to compare the actual expenses incurred against the budget to identify any variances. For risk management purposes, a project manager may be interested to use PMIS to create a risk register that lists the potential risks that have been identified for a project, as well as the likelihood and impact of each risk. PMIS can also be used to track the progress of the risk mitigation activities. For quality purposes, a project manager may use PMIS to track the quality of deliverables, such as the number of defects that have been identified, and to generate reports on the overall quality of the project. See you in the next lecture.